Seniors, have you ever wondered why so many people believe life is almost over after 65? In reality, the human body was designed to live well beyond 100. At 65, you're not finished. You're just entering a powerful phase. Your heart can still beat billions more times. Your brain can still grow new cells. Your muscles can still rebuild. The difference isn't age, it's habits. Researchers who followed thousands of adults over 60 found that a few simple morning habits were strongly linked to longer life, sharper memory, and stronger mobility. The first hour after waking determines whether your body repairs or declines. Before I reveal these 5 habits, pause and comment, what time do you wake up each morning? I read every comment. Habit number 5. Drink 16 ounces of room temperature water immediately upon waking. Overnight, you become dehydrated. Even mild dehydration thickens the blood and strains the heart. Drinking 2 glasses of water first thing helps circulation, supports kidney function, and improves mental clarity. Do this at least 30 minutes before coffee or breakfast. Habit number 4. Get 10 minutes of natural morning light. Morning sunlight resets your biological clock. Light signals your brain to balance hormones, improve sleep quality, and regulate energy. Even cloudy daylight is far more powerful than indoor lighting. Open the curtains or step outside shortly after waking. Habit number 3. Eat 30 grams of complete protein within 90 minutes. After 60, muscle loss accelerates. A protein-rich breakfast such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or lean meat stimulates muscle repair and helps maintain strength and balance. Morning protein supports mobility and reduces fall risk. Habit number 2. Do 60 seconds of balance practice. Stand on one leg for 30 seconds, then switch. Balance work strengthens stabilizing muscles and activates brain pathways that decline with age. Use a wall or chair for safety. Habit number 1. Practice 10 rounds of 4, 7, 8 breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This calms the nervous system, lowers stress hormones, improves circulation, and supports cellular repair. It takes less than 3 minutes but sets the tone for the entire day. These habits work together. Start with one tomorrow morning. Add another each week. Here's my question. Which habit will you start with tomorrow? Comment water, sunlight, protein, balance, or breathing. Your answer helps others know where to begin. If this changed how you think about aging, hit subscribe. This is Fit Fixing. Your body is capable of far more than you've been told, and it responds to how you begin each day.